Okay, good morning, dear students. In the last class, we are discussed about the preparation of sodium hydroxide and bleaching powder. What is the formula of bleaching powder? CaOCl2, calcium oxychloride. We can prepare the bleaching powder from the slackle lime. Chlorine gas passed through the slackle lime to form bleaching powder and water molecule. So now today I am going to discuss about the baking soda. How can we prepare baking soda from the common salt? What is the formula of baking soda? Baking soda formula is NaHCO3. Generally we are using in the cooking purpose in our home. So how can we prepare this baking soda? Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a chemical name. This is a formula. NaHCO3 is a formula, baking soda formula, and chemical name is a sodium hydrogen carbonate or sodium bicarbonate also we can call. Now common salt. What is the common salt? NaCl. Sodium chloride is a common salt, is treated with water and carbon dioxide and ammonia. Here common salt treated with water molecule and carbon dioxide and ammonia to form sodium hydrogen carbonate, and additional product is ammonium chloride, NH4Cl. This is ammonium chloride, and NaHCO3. This is a sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is a ammonium chloride. This is a sodium hydrogen carbonate. Chemical name sodium hydrogen carbonate. This is the preparation. How we are preparing from the common salt? Common salt is treating with water and carbon dioxide and ammonia to form ammonium chloride and sodium hydrogen carbonate, NaHCO3. This is a baking soda formula. And what are the properties is there? Now we are discussing about the properties. What is the properties of baking soda? Baking soda, it is a mild base. It is a mild non-corrosive base. And when it is heated during cooking, first point is it is a mild non-corrosive base. It is a mild non-corrosive base. It is a mild non-corrosive base. And next, when we are heating, when it is heating, what will happen during the cooking? When it is heated during cooking, it is decomposed. Sodium hydrogen carbonate, when we are heat, it is decomposed into sodium carbonate and water and carbon dioxide. This is a NaHCO3, formula of baking soda. Here we are taking the 2 moles of sodium hydrogen carbonate. When we are heating this sodium hydrogen carbonate, it is decomposed into the sodium carbonate as well as water molecule and CO2 gas, carbon dioxide. Okay, here sodium hydrogen carbonate on heating, it is decomposed into form sodium carbonate and water and CO2. So this is our property. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is a mild corrosive base. Mild corrosive base. Next, what are the uses is there? Next is the uses of baking soda. Baking soda, we are using in an ingredient of antacid. We are using an ingredient antacid. Baking soda we can use as an antacid. What is the antacid? Milk of magnesia is called antacid. It is useful to the neutralization. For suppose in our stomach more excess of HCl is there, means we have to take the antacid. Antacid, what is the use? Antacid is a light base. HCl in our stomach is acid, so it will be neutralized. HCl is acid and antacid is a base. So first use is an ingredient antacid and used in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher also we can use the baking soda. And for making baking powder, for making baking powder, okay, one by one we have to discuss. First use is an ingredient, antacid, an ingredient, antacid. Next, used in fire extinguisher, fire extinguisher, used in fire extinguisher. Fire extinguisher purpose also we can use the baking soda. And third point, for making baking soap powder, baking powder. What is the difference between the baking powder and baking soda? Baking soda is a NaHCO3. What is the baking powder? Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Baking powder is a mixture of baking soda and tartaric acid. Tartaric acid. This is the difference between the baking powder and baking soda. And next, use of baking powder. Here we are preparing baking soda is using to make the baking powder. What is the use of baking powder? Use of baking powder. Use of baking powder. Okay, what are the uses in the baking powder? Baking powder used in breads and cakes to make it soft and spongy. Used in baking powder we can use it in the breads and cakes to make it soft and spongy. Okay, what is the uses of baking powder? Used in breads and cakes to make it soft and spongy. Once you observe that breads and cakes are, it will be softy. Why it will be soft and spongy? Because of in the reaction when we are preparing, when we are heating the sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is the baking soda, it will be form the CO2. Due to the CO2, that bread and cakes will be spongy. What is the use of baking powder? Used in breads and cakes. Used in breads and cakes to make it soft and spongy. So why that bread and cakes are soft and spongy? Because of spongy is due to the carbon dioxide, CO2. This is about the using of baking powder. And next one is the washing soda. And next one is the washing soda. Fourth one is the washing soda. What is the washing soda? Washing soda formula is already we know, Na2CO3 10H2O. Na2CO3 10H2O. This is the formula of washing soda. How can we prepare this washing soda? Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. It is basic salt. Washing soda also basic salt. Baking soda also mild non-corrosive, corrosive base. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate. Sodium carbonate. Recrystallization of sodium carbonate gives washing soda. Gives washing soda. It is basic salt. It is basic salt. How can we prepare the sodium carbonate, that is called washing soda? Na2CO3 plus 10H2O plus 10H2O gives rise to this water molecule adding into the sodium carbonate. Na2CO3 10H2O, deca water molecules. 10 means deca. deca water molecules Na2CO3 10H2O. So this is the preparation of washing soda. And next, what are the uses is there? Uses of washing soda. Uses: in glass, soap and paper industry we can use the washing soda. In glass and soap and paper industry we can use the washing soda. And manufacture of borax also we can use the washing soda. And cleaning agent in houses, washing soda we are using for clean the cloths and houses purpose also cleaning agent we have to use. And removing hardness of water, these are the uses of washing soda. First one is a glass industry. In glass, soap and paper industry. And second one, manufacture of borax, cleaning agent in houses. Fourth one, removing hardness of water. Hardness of water. These are the uses of washing soda. We can use glass industry and soap industry and paper industry and manufacture of borax powder is there. We can use the borax powder manufacture. And cleaning agent in houses and removing hardness of water. And next one is a plaster of Paris.